Hey yo, good morning, London gang.
Hi.
How you doing? How you doing? Look at this. That's we just said it behind the scenes as well. Like this is a weird start. First of all, we never had a start where Celine, Claudia, and I are on at the same time. But then also, Celine is just a still image again.
Am
like
I
yesterday.
even here today?
I don't know. Who knows? Maybe it's just the AI as usual. But yeah, I mean, let's get it started with the Chinese and Conor McGregor's cousin. Looking forward to the session, and everybody put one in the chat if you're ready for the day, and then let's get going. I'm already in the long. I don't know. Did you take a trade yet, Claudia?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, Celine, you?
No, nothing. But good morning, chat. Good morning to you all. I am still looking at. I mean, do we want to just? Well, whose charts are we on? Nick, you want to break down your trade, and then we'll.
Okay, quick breakdown. I'm long. Next.
Moving on. All right, Claudia, what are you looking at? Or are we on my charts?
Okay, cool. Yeah, we're on yours.
All right, cool. So at the moment, for me, obviously, NQ is down. NQ, if we look at the daily, this is just a continued drop that we're seeing on NQ. Yes, we can probably call this now the dump. After we closed below these wicks, these swing points on the daily, I was saying how if we broke market structure here, I was probably expecting us to just keep dropping until the next significant low on the daily chart on NQ. And for me, that's like all the way down here at 23,000, which sounds crazy, but I mean, at one point we were trading at like 30,000 not long ago. Now we're 27,500 NQ. So we are dropping significantly here. At the moment, the way the daily candle is, there is no bottom wick. We have literally opened, we have bought up this daily candle right now, and there is now starting to be a wick being left behind. So I would like to see this candle flip bearish and create that bottom wick today. So I am more leaning towards the bears overall, all of that considered. But at the moment, in the session today, Asia low has been swept, and I'd be more interested to potentially long back into this range, but overall see the market into Asia's range, but overall see this market drop more come New York and pre-New York. So, but I think for the London session today, I think, yeah, I'd be more inclined to take a long back into Asia high, but then expect this to drop. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
All right, Claudia, what are you looking at?
So on gold, it's a bit tricky at the minute. I like to have a directional bias from the 4-hour time frame before I start trading on the lower time frames, but there's just a lot of chop at the minute. You can see that price is consolidating here on the 4-hour. So the way I identify directional bias is if there's a series of highs failing, then I'm more prone to looking for buys. If there's a series of lows failing, then I'm more prone to looking for sells. But on this, we can see there's highs failing, lows failing, highs failing, lows failing. So there's no directional bias here in itself in this range. And even when we zoom in here, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, really nice bullish engulfing candle here, followed by a bearish engulfing candle. So there's just arguments for both sides for me personally at the minute. And when it's like that, I tend to sit out. Sorry, I think there's a lag on the screen, but it's these engulfing candles here and here that I was pointing at. So last night there was high impact news release, two or three of them in the UK around 7 p.m, 7:30 p.m, and that's what this big spike up was. Now you can see here at 4,175, it's came directly next to this previous high on the 4-hour here, so that's why I have that marked up with these dollar signs, because there's liquidity there. However, I also have a liquidity pill marked up down here because these are 4-hour lows that prices kept coming near since the 30th of June, so this entire month. So this was the low of July, prices kept coming back and back, but it hasn't quite broke that low yet. So I feel like price is going to want to target that low eventually. So I have an alert at 4,175 and 4,025. So those are the two extremes on the 4-hour time frame. And I'm waiting for price to hit. At the minute on the lower time frames, I can't quite grasp where it's wanting to head to first. But I'm going to wait and see how price reacts to London Open to give me an idea. Hopefully it wants to push up first. Ideally, I'd like to see it target this high from last night and then come down and target these lows.
All
at
right.
4,025.
Now, we have a couple questions that are very important. First of all, Conor McGregor lost to your cousin. How sad are you on a scale from 1 to 10?
I didn't watch it. I didn't see it.
What?
Oh, what?
You watch your family member fight?
It was was it not like 3 a.m.? It was quite late in the night.
Come on now. Second question, how is your paddle training going?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, good. I've learned how to like serve into the corner every time. Like more consistently, not every time.
But don't give it all away, Claudia. Don't give it all away.
Oh wait, shit. I keep forgetting that we're competing.
How often do you play?
I've started doing once a week.
That's
Ooh,
awesome.
okay. Shit, she's playing more than me now. Damn it.
Or I mean, no, once a month. Once a month. Don't worry, you don't need to do any more.
Well, the last time I
good.
played was like 2 months ago. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, you're good. You don't need to play.
You don't need to train. No more
That's
training.
Nah, that's correct, Celine.
Alright.
Is she actually related to Conor McGregor? Yes, she's a first grade cousin.
Mm-mm.
Yep. She's a bit shy and she doesn't like to admit it, but
Humble.
yep.
Hey, we have Leia in the chat. Good morning, Leia. She hasn't been here. I feel like yesterday, the day before.
Leia has been silent for like a week. That is true.
Mafia Bull says you're waiting for a setup that hourly or 4-hour sweep, perhaps, Celine. Yeah, I am. I'm looking for a long reversal in the London session today. I would be more interested in taking that. Although I know like trend is very much against that. It looks like we definitely can be flipping bearish on the daily candle, but for now, seeing as though Asia low has been swept, I'm more inclined to take the long.
Annihilator, how did the trade from New York play out? Very well. Yesterday was a great day. Great. Dirty Harry says, Dirty Harry, what the hell? Why don't you trade your cousin's portfolio, Claudia? I think she does. I'm not sure about it.
Oh my goodness. This is going to spiral into an even bigger lie.
I know.
Robot says, Congo Man said it's going to be a creeping down for Rippy. Ups Canva tilted down. Yeah, that's what he said.
Jimmy Trade's got in some short stop loss on first, then 100-point TP after that. Let's go, Jimmy Trades. Take some discipline to get back in after a stop. And then you smashed 100 points, so that's sick. Well done. Leia says, can't do much when I'm on holiday with the family, haha, but popping into like the stream and send my love. Well, enjoy your holiday, Leia. That's been like a good couple of weeks, so it sounds like you're having heaps of fun over there in Italy.
Amanda says, Nick and Celine, Celine with an S, lol, seen the dump today. There was no dump today, not yet.
Oh, is that the guy that was saying yesterday?
Yesterday we got a dump.
It's dumping.
But we also got a pump, and then we got another dump, and another pump. Yesterday was crazy. Like yesterday's overnight session, not overnight session, like total session, 977 points. But within the 977 points, that's the crazy part, right?
Yeah.
I mean, at first we got an overnight move that was 286 points down, which is already pretty big. Then from that, we got a 454 point move up. Then from that, we got a 539 point move down. Then from that, we got 420 move up. Then from that, we got a 650 point move down. From that, we got a 690 point move up. And then from that, ultimately, we got almost 900 point move down. So yesterday, the moves, definitely crazy. Today, so far, if we look at it, from the 6 p.m. open, obviously we had the push right back up, which was kind of expected after that drop yesterday. But the overnight session already almost 500 points, 498.50. So another big one, We'll see where that takes us.
Yeah. I mean, when the market's like that, it's obviously a bit indecisive, but then again, like on the daily, we're just closing candle after candle.
And she's gone.
Struggling to have any sort of bullish.
And she's gone again. Yeah, sorry guys. Celine still has internet issues.
Hello?
Hello. Now we hear you.
Oh, I cut off. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, what were you saying?
What was I saying? Oh, just like obviously yesterday's session being so up and down, like you said, 400 points up, 500 down, like whatever, like it feels very indecisive. But then when you zoom out and you look at the daily, how we're closing day after day, like struggling to have any form of bullish daily close here, I feel like it's still very much bearish trend right now.
So where would you like price to go if you're bearish?
Well, in the session today, I'm bullish. Previous 4 hour low has been swept, Asia low swept, so I'm looking for a reversal long. But then if we get into Asia high, I'd say I don't think we're going to go all the way up to previous day high today. I'd say Asia high, and then probably like to take shorts from there eventually later on in the day.
All right.
See what the New York session does.
Let's see. Let's see. I'm only in this one micro on one contract, on one account. Nothing else so far.
So have you been splitting up so you're not copy trading accounts anymore?
No. Splitting them up. Splitting them up.
Is that to like split the risk?
Yes.
Spread the risk? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
It just makes more sense. It's more sustainable.
Yeah.
Because even if I'm trading with a 93% day win rate, like one bad day can push me back a lot on all the accounts. Whereas if I spread the risk, that one bad day might be a super bad day on one account, but on the others, I'm still going to make money.
Yeah, exactly.
The Congo hut split. The Congo hut sweep, you mean? Congo.
Congo.
Mix Leonard, New York might go harder on short because we have a heavy news again. What's up on the news calendar today? Let's see.
We have some red folder news at 8:30.
Rep folder. Yeah, 8:30. GDP growth rate, core PC, personal income, personal spending, and jobless claims. And then also earnings today. We're gonna have Apple and Amazon, so that's gonna be pretty interesting after 4 p.m. Let's see.
Chat, are any of you in any trades right now? Have we got our poll in there? Poll in the chat. Roman, we haven't put a poll, I think, this morning. Let's just see who's in shorts, longs, or who hasn't taken a trade yet.
Let's see.
Oh, some of them are getting back. So Bus long, Stefan long, long in gold.
Congo is in longs from yesterday.
Oh wow, really?
Long. As he flies says, I'm in a long and drawdown, just like Nick. Yeah, this Nick guy is always in drawdown. Fuck him.
Oh, it's a bit of a mix between the shorts and the longs today.
Mlinka says, Nick, do you have a fixed... Oh, wait, the poll just got over it. I can't see it now. Okay, Nick, do you have a fixed daily dollar profit target after you stop trading? You have a time limit after you don't take a trade since you have to close your position at 4:45 p.m. To your first question, no, I do not have a daily profit target. My daily target is to be green, right? And sometimes that is a small green and sometimes it's a big green. I take every day by itself. So doesn't really matter how much I make as long as I make. Do you have a time limit after you don't take a trade? Since you have to close your positions at 4:45 p.m. Actually, it's 4:44 p.m. And yes, for example, yesterday, right? If we look at the move that we got, I was done trading after this move up. This one right here. I got out of my last position on the 2 p.m. candle. 2 p.m. candle, I took my last contract off at 27,812. And then I let it rip from there. I let it drop from there. And I wasn't really interested anymore because it was already pretty late-ish in the session. And if I would have entered here again, right, I would have gotten burned. On a personal account where you can hold overnight, that's a different story. But on props, definitely not interested here anymore. But it's situational. It really depends where the market is, like 2 hours before the close, you know. And yesterday obviously was a crazy example. Spotty had a killer long like yesterday, Congo. Okay, what killer?
What did he
long?
trade?
I don't know.
The open?
I don't know.
Morning trader Nico on.
Nice. Nico on.
Nico on.
Yeah. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'll bring in one more account with one micro. So nothing crazy. So I have another micro on 27,424, and that's going to be it for now. Now we wait.
Oh, nice. Congerman said that Spuddy had a long at the end of the day.
At the end of the day, ugh. Well, depends when the end was, when he entered that long. But if it was anywhere between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m., then he got super cooked. I don't know. You sure it was by the end of the day?
Oh my gosh, Kobe's like, Spud was down 38K at some point yesterday. Holy, that's
What?
a lot. Someone said he was down, Spud was down 38,000 at some point yesterday in his trades.
Well, on which account though?
I don't know.
The actual
Probably all of them.
live account, or? No, it can't be the actual live account because that would be the whole account.
Asian Boys UK is what's happening with Celine's camera. I'm not able to put my video on, guys, for today only. Yesterday and today, because I'm dealing with some poor internet. So tomorrow will be a different story. I'll be back home. I'll have normal setup, normal desk. It'll be great.
Actually, chat, she got her hair done. She's now blonde, and she's a bit shy.
I was about to say that. That was a joke that was going around in my head.
Well, yesterday we said it was pink, so now your stories don't line up, Nick.
No,
so
it's blonde. I
you
always
lose.
said it's blonde.
You said pink yesterday.
Nope, I always said blonde. Want me to pull receipts? You really want to go there already?
No, I really can't be bothered.
I mean,
All right, we'll leave it at blonde. Whatever, you said blonde. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I've just entered a small 1 to 2 risk to reward bet on the riskier. I'm just hoping the price pushes down, takes out London Open liquidity, and also there's some lows there at the July monthly open. So like I said, I want to see price target 4,175 before let me see what it was. 4175. I would like to see price push back up and take out those equal highs. So that's why I'm looking to see or catch a short-term 1 to 2 risk to reward sale into London Open, July monthly open, take out these lows, and then hope to see a push up to those highs. So I'll see if this works, because prices shot away there from London Open straight away, meaning that there's liquidity resting in there and at these lows. So it's a 1 to 2 risk to reward.
Nice.
all right.
All right, well, I'm the only one not in a trade now. Now I'm getting like FOMO. I need to enter something.
Why?
No, I'm kidding.
You do your thing.
Chat, should I just long NQ right here? One micro, Nick?
Look, you can put on one micro anywhere. It literally doesn't matter. You're gonna be fine.
then watch the market just dump.
So what? You're in 1 micro.
$2 a point.
Yesterday, Miriam's 1 micro would have been nice.
What did Miriam trade 1 micro?
No, I tried to force her. No, I didn't try to force her. I just told her because she said she wants to take the longs, but she doesn't trust the market. I said just put on 1 micro. It's gonna be fine.
And then she was like, no.
Yeah, like you. She
Like
was like,
me.
no, I'm not gonna do that. Well. Is it like, logically speaking, isn't it better to just put on 1 micro and make small profit rather than missing out on it?
Small profit of a big or like small loss. I don't know. Why take that risk if it's not the way I trade? Then I could theoretically just stare at these charts and then just take guesses. At that point, like, am I trading or am I like just? I'm actually I'm gonna enter a long here.
See, there you go.
No, but this is
Celine's AI says she will take a micro. Will you? Will you?
I love that you're like, it's not the way I trade, then 2 seconds later, okay, I'm gonna do it.
No, I actually have a setup. Wait, I'll talk through it. This is actually a legitimate setup. It just happened as you guys are talking. So 1 minute inversion was the 1 minute inversion was the reason for this entry. 1 second, I need to put a stop in place here.
Also, while you do that, let's set the first cycle. I mean, Claudia, since you've been on last time, the numbers have been going crazy. We now like 1,500 viewers.
Oh, nice.
Concurrent live viewers very consistently. So we can set higher like goals. Currently, we're sitting at 327 likes. Let's do the first giveaway at 414 likes. We're sitting at 327, so that's going to be hit easily.
Nice.
Yep. Myself, Sid. Nick, is it worth visiting Switzerland during Christmas? Is it anything special there? I'm from Asia and want to take my fam for a Christmas vacation this year. Yeah, I mean, if you like cold and snow, sure. Then it's perfect to come here. Although we don't really over-exaggerate celebrating it. What I mean by that is, if you want to see like amazing big Christmas lights displays and stuff like that, I think you rather go to like London or New York. Switzerland is not really known for that. We have it, but just not as crazy.
Speaking of Switzerland, guess who told me she was having internet issues out there in Switzerland?
Yeah, and I can tell you why.
Why? But it's Switzerland, chat. Yeah, everyone knows.
Look, Celine. Before Rebecca moved here, she asked me which subscription should she get. I told her exactly which subscription she should get. Well, I guess she didn't get that one because now she said she had to upgrade it. So, duh. Yes, obviously, you can have bad stuff here too.
Well,
get the right one and you're going to be fine.
Okay, well, it's the same in Greece then. Like, if they had connected my fiber last week, my internet would have been fine back at home. Mm-hmm. So, well, Switzerland has their...
With Starlink, it is fine at home, no?
No, it's not consistent. Especially, like, in different areas of the house. Like, I mean, fiber would obviously be way faster. I think it's like 1,000 per second or whatever. How did they measure it?
Well, that's the theoretical speed, yes, but you're not going to get that speed.
But it's guaranteed.
Trust me, you're not going to get that speed. Want to bet on it?
Yeah,
I honestly do. I honestly do want to bet on it.
Yeah, you do?
That I won't get 1,000? I won't get 1,000 upload.
You're like, when you're going to get fiber with a guaranteed 1,000 and you're going to run the speed test, I bet $1,000 that you're not going to get 1,000 on the speed test.
Yeah,
but what makes you so? But what makes you so confident?
Let's make it 2,000. Want more confidence? We can make it 3,000.
Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. Look, actually, this is not my expertise. I actually don't know internet, fiber, all of that. So I'm just gonna. I mean, Nick, all I can do, just like this hotel, I can just go off what people tell me, right? I came here. They said great internet, really fast. The fiber providers are like, you're
But
gonna
you
get
also
guaranteed
could understand-
1,000.
You gotta understand, you can't just trust people who are selling you something. You can't just blindly accept the fact that they're gonna promise you the world, because usually that's not what you're gonna get. Theoretical speed is 1,000, yes, of course. That's what they advertise. But the practical, real life scenario is not gonna be that. I promise you that. I'm gonna bet $10,000 on it if you want.
Don't check on that.
before Claudia was like, take the bet, take the bet.
Take the bet.
Yeah, no, you're not gonna get that. I promise.
Right then, because I don't know how internet works. It's assumed they tell you this is the speeds you're gonna get. That's what you're gonna get.
You won't.
Well.
Well. Are you at home, Claudia?
Yeah, I moved. My desk is now in the bedroom.
Where's your sign?
Under the bed.
Well, that's not. It's not gonna do you any good under the bed, is it?
Yeah, I don't really know where to put it here. It's not the vibe in this.
Do you
room.
still breathe though?
Yeah, I still breathe.
I think
I like the sign. We need to bring it back somehow.
Yeah.
Maybe on the dark wall behind you, above the black. What's that black thing? Is that a TV? Yeah, there. Yeah.
The bed frame.
Ah, okay. Yeah, there.
I have to make my bed now to live stream because it's in the back.
Above the bed frame. That would look nice.
I painted that wall myself. It's a bit cricket. I don't know if you can see.
Really?
Yeah.
That was good.
Juan, no, I'm not in shorts. Celine is in shorts, I think. Or are you in longs? Oh, she's gone again. Oh, she's in longs.
Look at this 15-minute candle. All it's done is just dump.
Claudia's in shorts. Now we can hear you again.
Yeah. I'm a 1 to 2 short.
Oh. Do I keep... I'm in a long and NQ, but I'm not liking how this 15-minute candle is not starting to flip. Like, it's dropped. We've had, from that 15-minute candle open, like in the last minute, we've just dumped. So I have a stop just below here, just allowing it a bit of breathing room here, but I don't really want to get taken out. I gotta hold.
You should just move your stop loss.
You should just take it off.
Just keep moving it.
Add more positions.
Oh my gosh. Stay alive in this. Come on. It's really close to stopping me out.
On a good note, we did hit the like goal.
Oh, nice. That was quick.
Wait, did
Oh
you?
my gosh,
Did you take that on 2 minis?
Yep.
Oh.
Hey, I liked the setup.
Was that an A+ setup?
Yes, yeah, it was. The only thing against me is the trend. So yeah. But I could still be alive here. This 15-minute candle needs to flip. Go. We're putting in the bottom wick now.
Just imagine you were taking that with the 1 micro.
Oh, don't.
Yeah, I know.
Imagine, and now listen. Now you will get an even better buy than before. So your average would be lower and you would be at a smaller loss. Just imagine for a second.
Yeah, I'm imagining. I'm also imagining just no stop loss here, just letting this ride. No.
Yeah.
It's gonna take me. Oh, it got me. All right, I'm out of that. Damn it. It's all right. That was taken on evals. We can cop the, what was that? 2,000 loss on that trade in the evals. Not a healthy amount, but we'll survive. Oh, that's really annoying.
Oh, Claudia, your trade is looking good, eh?
Yeah, it's just, it looks like it's coming back to London Open, but it's just a matter of whether it wants to wick it and then go up or else drop and target these lows. So I might look at reducing my stop loss from here to this high when price hits into New York or into London Open to like half the open to risk.
All right. Yeah, let's run a quick giveaway because we hit the like target. Chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form. But only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. Congo and chicken, do not do it, okay? And then type, damn it, 3 exclamation marks. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. So here is the form. You're going to have 35 seconds. Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck. Claudia, I see you there. You're disqualified. Man, you're also disqualified. Damn it. Casual, what's a form? Disqualified. How to join the festival? Nah, disqualified.
A festival.
All right. I'm copying everybody over. Bang. And bang. Let's see. 348 people in the giveaway. 348 people who made it within the time limit. So let's see.
Decent.
Yep, not bad. First winner of the day is... Boom. Baited by NQ. Baited by NQ. Type something in the chat. You have 30
Me
seconds.
just now.
Baited by NQ. There he is. Says lock in. All right. Mr. Lock in. Let's see what you actually win. Gotta open your profile really quick first.
Well, Wag's like, Celine won because I just got baited by NQ. Right? Wag, you know.
All right. Growth, select, or lightning funded. Let's see. Mr. Baited by NQ. You are gonna get a... Ooh, nice. 100K select account.
Nice.
All you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you your account within the next 7 days.
Congrats.
Congrats.
Mr. Baited.
Mr. Baited.
Baited.
Careful. All right, let's see.
Pokemon. Celine, have you gone fully AI? What did I miss the last few days? No, this is just a setup for today and yesterday because I have terrible internet here in the region of Greece I'm in right now. But it's just for today.
In that region where it was supposed to have great internet.
Excellent, extreme high internet.
Extremely fabulous, magical internet. Okay, I'll add 1 micro to my position here.
Celine planning to re-enter if this candle flips. The 15-minute, I mean, I do like it a lot more now that the 15-minute is flipped. I don't know, I might have to take it with smaller sizing to stay alive.
Stay alive.
I think we can trade with... Yeah, okay. I took that inversion just now. It's on with micros. Hold on. Not 1, Nick, but 5.
Hey, I mean, you could take it with 1.
It's just a bit cleaner now that the 15-minute is forming this week. So technically, I just had a bit of a, like the stop was just in a really, I don't know, poor positioning there. But this could still long back into the range. So I'm happy to take this same setup. Just
Okay.
a bit of a better entry.
That sounds like some words I heard before.
If there was no stop, I would have been adding into this. That's the truth. Oh well.
Is the reason why you're taking it with less size because of less available drawdown, or is there any other reason?
No, that's why. So dealing with less drawdown. So instead of just blowing these evals, I will size appropriately. So I'm just going to put I'm still going to take off partials at 1:1, which would be around 27,447. Sorry, no, 27,442. I will take 3 off.
Does Claudia speak? Yes.
Hi.
See? Magic.
Yes, I can speak.
Magic.
She's locked. How's gold
There's always
looking?
one. Yeah, good. It's just bounced off London Open. I'm waiting to see if it's gonna drop lower or if it's done with the downside. Now I'm still gonna leave that extra space for price to move with my stop loss. I'll see if it comes back to London Open here, and then I'll reduce stop loss.
Nice.
See, I do speak.
There you go, chat. You got proof. You got proof.
Just a little more in queue. Come on. What is the chat saying? Dirty Harry, what's your target lane? Honestly, the first target is at 1:1. I will take 3 micros off there, but I want to see how he reacted this next high at 27,518, because I might just keep, if it's going to go with some momentum now and look like we might head for Asia high, I will just move my sell limit all the way up there. But I will watch, observe, and then maybe change that last sell limit for a higher target if it is going with momentum. But let's just try and make it to TP1 first. Let's start there.
What's your level for TP1? I can't see it.
442.
442 and a quarter. I like that.
And a quarter.
I like that.
Did we set the next light goal?
No. We're sitting at, let me check, 610. Let's make it 888, a classic.
Oh, yeah.
A classic. Saystrom says Claudia is Miss Gold. Yeah, that's right. That is right.
It's one of the nicer names people have called me.
Well.
Yeah. Welcome to streaming live.
I'm in dopamine. Nick, how is your situation right now? My situation is great. Phenomenal. How is your situation? I don't know what situation you're talking about, but I'm assuming...
Yeah, I know. It's such a vague... How is your situation?
I mean, my situation is great. I love my situation.
Claudia, are you Scottish? Says Armin.
No,
Scottish?
Irish. Northern Irish. People get it mixed up. We sound just slightly similar.
Miss Gold McGregor, yes. That one, yes.
That one.
Robot, what shape and form is your situation in? You are disqualified from the next giveaway. You know exactly what you're doing. What is Claudia's YouTube channel? Asks Arman.
Same as the tag under me here, _Claudia Ray.
There you
For all
go.
my socials. That's the same
Go and
across.
follow her.
Guys, when you put a question in the chat, you're going to be a bit more detailed because otherwise, like we can't read your brain, right? Legend Don says, anyone please respond. What is the best plan? Look, I can assume that you're asking...
TP1 smashed.
Let's go.
Oh, nice. Well done.
I can assume, Legend Don, that you mean the best Tradeify plan. But
You mean
technically,
meal
if
prep?
you just ask me what is the best plan, it could be a meal plan, it could be a workout plan, it could be anything, right? So what is the best plan? I mean, the best plan is to make money every day. That's the best plan. How about that?
That sounds good to me.
I'm going to close my position here and I'm going to re-enter it with 1 micro. So I locked in some profits and we're back in with 1. Just stacking some money and doing it again.
My trade looks a little sad now.
That's it.
Yeah.
Sad as in?
It's coming back.
I don't remember. Do you move break even or no?
Yeah, I usually do, but it bounced off London open that fast that I thought I would give it a bit more room to move. So if it played in this area a wee bit longer, then I would have put my stop loss from here to above this high. This is only a 9.8 point stop loss in full anyway. So it's just a smaller scale scalp, so I wouldn't be in as much of a rush with smaller trades like this. But yeah, I'm happy to just let it run. I'm only risking $300 for this one.
Right. All right. Oh, phone call.
Pick it up.
It's my grandma.
Oh, it's cute.
She doesn't speak English, so that would be a bit unfair. I'll call her after.
Well, I've had to, I think this should be a bit more stable, chat, but I've had to actually take my charts off the screen right now because I kept cutting in and out before, so hopefully this is a bit more stable. But I'll let you guys know about the trade. Currently, the final TP for this trade that I'm in is at 518. That could change. I will let you know if I drag that TP any higher. And I just have a stop at break even on the rest. So we'll see.
All right.
Stop is at 397.75.
Damn, chat's going crazy about me not picking up grandma's call. I'll call her back. I'll call her back after this stream. It's gonna be fine.
What if it's like an emergency?
It's not, because I know why she's calling.
Oh, okay.
You want to share with the class?
Sure. We're going to France on the weekend, and she's
nice.
my family. So my mom turned 60 recently, and she's celebrating so she rented this villa in France, and she invited like family and friends, etc. And awesome. Her mom, my grandma, drives there with my fiance and me. So she wants to know what time we're gonna leave.
Oh, nice. That sounds like a good trip.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Good.
A villa in France sounds amazing. That's such a
Yeah.
nice way to spend a birthday.
Yeah, that's good. It's good. I'm still gonna be trading though.
Of course.
Lowen says some Swiss German would be cool. Haven't heard it live in a while. Ich kann den Stream schon in Schweizerdeutsch machen, ist kein Problem. Es versteht einfach kein Schwanz, was ich sage, aber kann man schon machen.
Oh. Celine, can you speak any other languages?
I can't. And I actually like the way Nick can switch between that,
so cool.
whole language and then back to English is crazy. Like he speaks that at home. And it's just like, it's crazy that he's on here speaking English like fluent. I wish I could speak other languages.
Yeah, me too.
It's cool.
I mean, you can learn one.
You know what? I'm trying to learn Greek while I obviously live here now. So I am trying to pick up Greek.
Yassas, Kalimera.
Yassas.
I'm on day 161 of Duolingo Spanish.
Oh, there you
so
go.
far, I can only
Hola,
say
¿qué
it's
tal? Sí, señor. I've been playing padel since I was 4 years old.
with.
My name is Juan Pablo Enrique Rodriguez Gonzalez.
Can
I
you speak
know.
Spanish? Is that right? Like, can you actually say Spanish? Speak Spanish?
Me?
No, he's just doing the accent.
Sí,
Oh.
señor.
I didn't hear the English words. I was like, wow, you're
It's
fluent
just
in
like-
Spanish as well.
Oh, Congo,
Don't be
I
fooled,
wish.
Claudia.
Congo, I wish. He said Nick just ordered orange chicken from his favorite American Chinese chain place. Yes, that would be my dream for today's lunch. How about that?
Orange chicken. I still never tried it.
You're missing out.
Yep.
You're missing out. Actually, realistically, I'm not going to get that for a long time.
What?
Orange chicken?
Yeah.
Because we don't have it here.
Oh, okay.
It's only in America, right?
Yeah, and Dubai as well.
Hmm.
Because Dubai has all the American chains.
What makes it orange?
Well,
That's
like
a
an
great question.
there's orange flavor in the sauce.
Okay. I thought it was like a special chicken you could only get in America.
No, it's just
Like orange colored chicken.
Yeah.
The dish is called orange chicken by Panda Express.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Nice.
The name of it like doesn't sound so appetizing. Like the flavor of orange and chicken combined.
It's amazing.
I know, but like you say that. I'm not a
The Afghan trader says, Nick, someone is knocking the door. You want to check? I didn't hear a knock. Or was there a knock? I don't know. Oh, Chicken is actually here in the chat. Says, watch your mouths. Yo, you know what, Chicken? Just for you, we're going to put some corn in the chat. Everybody put some corn in the chat so we can feed the chicken so that he gets nice and healthy and fat so I can
eat him.
get more orange chicken. Also, Pavan, stop spamming the chat. I'm going to give you a little 10-second ban. That's the first yellow card.
Yep, don't tempt us. We will ban you. What? This, okay, you know I have the Google Translate thing on, and so sometimes now I get really confused because this guy's chat, this guy's comment said, Bagak came through as fight. It got translated to the word fight.
What language would that be?
I have no idea. How do I find that out?
The contrarian in the chat says, you suck. Wanted to write, you suck, and he even missed like 2 words and he spelled it wrong. Congrats, the contrarian. Great work. Congo Man asking, is Celine going to ban me today? I don't know.
We'll see. I only ban if there's a reason to. Don't give me a reason.
Bakshish, how long will the drive be from my place to France? I think like 6 hours, 40 minutes-ish. Do you have to pay any fees to take Swiss registered car in France? No. Nope. You just drive.
Bus Gapple, or Bus Gapple, I don't know that one. This is Celine, do you think price will invest that 5-minute bearish FVG? Honestly, I'm not looking to predict when FVGs are going to get inversed or anything. I prefer to just watch as we trade into them and then go with price like that. So I'm not going to be trying to speculate and say, I think it's going to do this. I just prefer to observe. Like we have tapped into this 5-minute bearish gap a couple times now. And so right now we're respecting in that gap. So it doesn't look like we're going to inverse, right? But if it does start to trade higher than these highs and start to trade into almost closing that gap, then yeah, sure, it's going to look like it's going to inverse. But I have no prediction on whether it will or not. Like there's no signal for me. I have nothing, no read on price to tell me like, yes, this gap's going to invert and this one isn't. And if I did know that, I'd be very rich. So yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Raz says Selena's cruel. What did I ever do to you, Raz?
Oh, I understood. I heard cool. I was like, why are you asking him what you did to him?
Oh. No, he said cruel.
Celine can't share her screen anymore. The internet is too good.
Yeah, Conrad, that answers your question. My charts had to be pulled out.
Pavan says, in caps lock, I asked out to Celine multiple times and Nick is like, why are you spamming? Well, you literally just answered your own question right there. You said multiple times. Just don't do that. We get to your question. Don't worry. Now I'm going to give you a 1 minute timeout. See you later. This is your second yellow card. You now have an orange one.
Celine, please may I know why you didn't trade at 324 1 minute inversion? 324. Let me have a look.
Damn, Claudia just got proposed to in the chat.
It's a yes. I'm only joking. I don't know if that's...
No, you can't
I
take
don't
it
know if that's legally binding.
No takes
Be
it back
careful.
here. Claudia is now engaged to T-Bem Wanza 89. Congrats.
Are we invited to the wedding?
No, because it's not happening.
But to answer that guy's question that was spamming, I did enter that. So after all, that's the trade I took. The first trade that got stopped out, that was the inversion at 324. So I'm not sure why he's asking that. I took that live.
The chat is going crazy. Claudia's getting married. Congrats, Claudia.
Garbutt says, perfect. She's our wife now, chat.
Guangzi Jen says, Nick looks like a Counter-Strike 2 pro player. Dupree, for real. Please search him. Okay, I will. Let's go to my screen, Roman. Let's search the Counter-Strike 2 player. No. In what universe?
What?
It looks like that guy's like a before, like gym transformation version of you. The difference 6 months can make. You just need to log in.
Some people see funny things. That's funny. Timo Nick.
Timo Nick.
Oh man. Now your trade is looking good again, Claudia.
Yeah, it's coming back. I think it was just pushing up there to 4,100. So it pulled back there. If it breaks this low, then it's good. It should be targeting the July monthly open lows down here.
Nice.
And then once it hits that, I will be looking to see if for a buy potentially. I would love to see if it shows some form of change of character, bullish engulfing, maybe a wick rejection off the top of that level, and then look for a longer, bigger scale buy up to 4175. Yeah. See.
Great.
The contrarian says you guys don't know how to trade. Okay.
Well, his username is the contrarian, so we know that says a lot.
As you fly, does Nick ever take a short? Yes, 0.4% of the times I do. Mexican number says Claudia is locked in. Hell yeah, she is. Of course.
Nico7 says, sorry for repeating myself, but have you finished any studies? Who? Is he asking if like any of us went to university?
Be precise.
I know, like it's just too vague. What did that guy say before? How's your situation?
Or what's the best plan?
What's the best plan? Yeah. S. Krantz, I'll give you a hint. A bad joke repeated multiple times doesn't automatically become a good joke. Maybe it's gonna help you. That's a great question. Games lover for me says, so why the hell is he here? If you guys don't know how to trade, is he just here for the giveaways? Oh,
Interesting. Might have to expand that one.
Celine, don't be so cruel.
I know. I realized that. I'm like, maybe I'm turning a bit cruel.
EMDK says, Nick's strategy is make money. Stop asking, for fuck's sake. There you go. It's a bad joke. Repeated multiple times equal Trump. Well, kinda. S. Krantz says, Nick still isn't capable of admitting he was wrong. I told you literally yesterday, it's not going to happen today, and it's not going to happen tomorrow. It's going to happen over the next couple of weeks. But I promise you, NQ will hit 28,900 again. I promise you, okay? If it doesn't, we might have other problems.
In the world, in general. Celine's camera is broken. Ocean wave, yes. It's my voice, not even my charts.
Oh, Michael, I need more therapy. Damn it, I thought I was healed. Shit.
You guys keep cutting out. Raymond, do you think I should plug my charts back in? What do I do? All right.
Okay, that is your issue, S. Krantz? Okay. He says, I promise you Enki will hit that number in the future too, but you called it on a day trade last week. We're wrong and cannot admit it. Okay, I admit I was wrong. What are you going to say now? Huh? What's your comeback from that? And also, I made money on that day, so I think I'm fine. I never said I'm 100% accurate with my call-outs. Yeah, Congo man, I'm very spiritual now.
I am going to reduce my stop loss now because price is back at London Open.
Nice. Remember, we can switch to Claudia. Oh, yeah, we're on them.
Yeah, there we go. So it was up here. I'm going to reduce it to this previous high of this, or the candle high here. So that means I have split my opening risk by 50%. So it was 10-point stop loss. It's now 4.5.
Robot is asking, Claudia, I have issues with TPing. How do you deal with getting round tripped, like break even after good potential missed profits?
Say that again.
He said, Claudia, I have issues with TPing. How do you deal with getting round tripped, break even after good potential missed profits? Like he lets a trade run, he misses out on like taking profits, and then it comes back to stop him out, break even. Like, how do you?
Honestly, I feel like I built up the habit to not get attached to profits that are on my screen unless they're secured. So if you shift your focus to just what your open to risk is, and don't worry about the profits running on the screen until the trade's closed. That way you're not going to get attached to floating profits. It took me a long time to do that, but yeah, all I care about is reducing my open to risk until I eventually move my stop loss to break even. If I'm holding a trade for longer, then I like to move my stop loss further into profit. So for example, if I was trying to catch like 50-60 points here instead of 20, then if price broke this low, I would start moving my stop loss into profit towards London Open. So if it did reverse, I would at least catch like 10-20 points and then continue doing that if I'm holding a trade for longer. But if it's a smaller trade, then just try not to get attached to floating profits. I know it's easier said than done, but if you just focus on your downsides, the potential gains will take care of itself. Or focus on protecting your downside, I should say.
Yeah.
I did just add another micro back in to that position from before. So my average is now similar to what it was before with 2 micros, but I got locked profits in addition to that. Contrarian says options is where the real money is. Hey, then you should go probably watch an options stream because this is a future.
Why not?
Also, more people lose in options than in futures, and already a lot of people lose in futures. Just FYI.
Hamoud says, Celine, please ask Claudia to share her strategy if she doesn't mind. It seems she's not reading the chat. No, I think some people have been asking.
Sorry, I don't have. Sorry, I don't have the chat open, but.
Okay, there you go. So I think a couple of them, I know you've gone through it. Like she has gone through this chat, but Claudia, if you want to go over your strategy.
Yeah. Well, I can give you 2 longer plugs. So I'm almost finished editing a video. I've documented trading 5 150k Lightning accounts with Tradeify from like first trade to payout. So you'll get more of a realistic view rather than like theoretically me explaining my strategy. I've documented myself trading those accounts. That video will be put out hopefully over the next few days on my YouTube channel. So the username is here. I've also done a strategy breakdown, like a chart breakdown on, I forget it. Shit. Hold on. 2 seconds. Fuck's sake, I'm so bad for forgetting. Prop firm trader, so podcast on YouTube. I've done like a full scale 2-hour chart strategy breakdown. I think it'll be put out next week. Dates TBC, so keep an eye on it as well. But real quick, basically I'm just trading. I only trade gold, and I'm trading supply and demand continuation. So I'm basically identifying trend direction and then trying to follow it. I mostly trade off to and from the opens. So you can see here that price shot away from London Open. And I've basically tried to catch a sell back into London Open because there's liquidity risk in there. But if I see a series of highs holding those failing, then I'm waiting to look. I'm trying to catch a sell from a pullback off an open or a quarter level or a whole level. So a quarter level being every 25 points on gold, and a whole level being every 100 points on gold. I start on the 4-hour time frame, gather a directional bias, and then I try to apply that to the lower time frames. If they're aligned, then I'm holding trades for longer. If they aren't, I'm holding them for a shorter amount of time. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Just waiting to see how price reacts off levels. If it looks like it wants to go up, I'm hitting buy. If it looks like it wants to go down, then I'm hitting sell. And usually shooting for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. But yeah, if you go to those channels, you'll find a much longer explanation of my strategy.
There you go, chat.
Yeah, that'll be good because I think a lot of people have been asking. So there you go. Watch that in-depth videos that Claudia has coming out.
Roman,
you might not want to watch it though, because
let's go back to
I've just hit stop loss.
Well,
so they might not be interested.
Wait, did you actually just now?
Just now I hit stop loss, so
oh damn.
Everyone's gonna go and unsubscribe to me.
No, that's not how. No, this chat knows. This chat knows. Losses are a part of it.
Yeah.
I'm getting another long entry, but I just don't trust it anymore.
Why not? Take it with 1 micro.
It's looking good. It's looking good. All right.
If it's your setup, you got to take it.
Yeah, I am. Don't hesitate. Wait, I need to calculate. I think. Okay, I'm gonna have to just buy limit this because it's gone a little far. It's gone like 10 points from where I would have entered, so I have a buy limit. Come back. Because I'm just looking at one laptop screen, so I go between the chat and the back room. I'm just like,
I'll give you a tip to make it easier. Put the chat on your phone.
No, you know why? Because my phone is my 5G, and right now that's on the other side of the room because it's getting the better signal.
Okay. Roman, go to my screen, please. I want to show something. Thank you. I'll take profit again. Boom, and I re-enter with 1 micro again. So now at this point, I have $162 locked on this account, and we do the whole thing all over again.
Hell yeah. I'm trying to get into a long here. So are you still trading? This is the same account, Nick?
Yeah, well, I'm trading multiple accounts. I'm currently long in 3 accounts. One account has realized profits and is flat. And then I have 3 accounts that are still open. 2 are in profit. 1 is in drawdown. The one in drawdown is the one you see on screen. I'll show you the worth.
All right, well, I have a buy limit on. I have the position tool set to 1-to-1, so I can see if price runs to that 64 points. I will, that 1-to-1 level, I will just cancel this because that's where I would have taken the first TP off. It seems really choppy right now. Like I was in that entry, it pumped a little bit, it came literally all the way back down, swept that low, and now it's pumping again. Like within a few minutes, this is like 60 points. So I do trust it. I do trust it now after seeing this. It's just timing the entry and calculating where the safest stop is. Because, yeah. Damn, this is gonna run. This is like straight 60. This 1-to-1 is 64 points, and it's been 3 minutes. Damn it. Robert Sisleen, do you trade unfair value gaps? Yeah, sometimes there's unfair value gaps. Really, they cook me. But this PA isn't too fun.
Hi, and Ali with another vague question. What's your favorite thing? Well, favorite thing. Okay, favorite thing in the world or in trading or
favorite thing you did today?
Or tomorrow?
Everything you ate yesterday?
Maurice says, does Nick do yoga? Dude has 0 panic. No, I'm healed.
Okay, I've finally got the chat up now. Someone said that I look sad.
Oh, did they?
No, that's not true.
Ruin JV said, asked will I re-enter my position. I am in the sell still on some of the other accounts. I use lower risk and a bigger stop loss, but that's on CFDs. On my Tradeify accounts, I might just hold off and see how price reacts off this weekly open. I did say at the start of the stream, if you weren't here, that I don't really have a clear directional bias at the minute, because the 4-hour time frame looks really choppy on gold. So that's what I use to basically figure out which direction I'm trading on the lower time frames. Is a higher time frame narrative, lower time frame entries. Because the 4-hour is very choppy, I have a lot of indecision at the minute. So because that didn't work in my favor, I'm just going to sit out for a bit. Hopefully the 1 p.m. news, 1 p.m. in the UK, the high impact news releases today, push price to either one of these extremes. I mentioned at the start of the stream as well, I have these 2 liquidity pools marked on my chart. So if the news can push price above here and it shows a change of character, then I'd definitely be looking for sales down to this low or potentially here. But price has failed to target this low for a month now. I am expecting it to come down this far eventually. I don't know if that'll be today or not. It could be from the monthly open next week. But if news pushes price up here, I'll look at getting in on a re-entry of a sell up here, but not around this piece of price action where I got in on the previous sell. Hopefully that answers your question.
Thank you. This price action is tough. Up, then down again, then up, and then potentially down again. Don't like these kinds of markets.
Ursula says, our favorite thing is London session. Hell yeah. There you go.
Good. Better be.
G for Chio says, Blue another eval. Man, I need to study London more. I don't have a strat for it, just New York. Usually, G, people, and that's the easiest thing you can look into, people are just over leveraging their accounts. They're like oversized. Look at what I'm doing. I'm trading a 150K account with 1 to 2 micros. 150K account. I see people trading a 50K account with like 2 minis. So the answer is right in front of your eyes.
But also, like, it is hard. Like, if you don't have a strategy, then maybe you're just taking random trades and there's no analysis backing that trade. So then I guess you're always going to feel a little bit less confident. So you might be like moving stop losses, changing TP levels. Like, I think going.
And she's gone again. See ya.
Wait.
Oh. Celine, are you still here?
You guys cut again.
Oh, we did? We're sorry.
I just removed my chat.
Our internet stuck. I'm sorry.
Yeah, where the problems
It's just as in I disconnected from you guys.
Okay, you gotta say again what you wanted to say.
Really? You didn't hear any of it?
No.
G Fajiro, I was talking to you about not having a plan in the London session is also part of the issue. Like, don't go into trades without having a strategy or having tested anything. Like, because at that point it's a guess. And you also you're probably going into these trades with no confidence, because at that point you don't know what you're trading, what you're expecting to happen, where you should be putting TP, stop losses, like any of that. Like, trading without a proper plan, it's not going to do you any good. So that combined with sizing, I'd say. That's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, I mean, look at Hemad, for example, in the chat. He says, Nick, you're right. I blew my 150K account last week trading 5 minis. I mean, first of all, Hemad, I respect you for sharing that, because most people don't admit, right? And now that you know that's not going to work for you, how about you scale down and you trade with less size?
5 minis on any account it's too much.
I would not agree with that statement, because if somebody has $1 million live account, he can trade 5 minis. That's not a problem.
No, in prop, Nick. I'm talking prop.
Okay.
In prop, I mean, like any of our
But even then, let's say
no way, not at $20 a point.
Somebody grew, well, with 5 minutes, it's $100 a point, but somebody grew the account from, let's say, 150K to, I don't know, 300,000. He now has a $150,000 buffer. So is he able to trade 5 minis? I would say so, sure.
All right, well, do confirm then. Let us know if you've grown your account up 150,000 and you haven't withdrawn any bets.
Well, you can withdraw and grow it that big, technically.
Yeah, fair.
I mean, I know there are prop accounts that are really big, like hundreds of thousands of dollars of profit big.
That's the only time this would be okay. Nick always finds an example of where it would actually be reasonable.
I'm just defining it more. It's like,
well, yeah, in your scenario, what you've explained, yes, then I would agree. 5 minis is, you have the risk. You got 150,000 in buffer. You got the risk. Yep.
Well, let's take your thought process. What you were saying is you start a fresh account, any account size, 5 minutes is too much. I agree, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, because most of the time you're dealing with like a max $5,000 in drawdown. So you're not allowing yourself any room at all. So Chat, just don't do it.
Mm-hmm. That is correct, Himad. That is very correct.
Brian says, I believe 5 150k fundeds. I'm learning to not overtrade and revenge trade. I've been doing good lately. Oh, that's awesome then. At least you're seeing improvements, because overtrading definitely gets all of us at some point, and revenge trading, all of it. But as long as you're starting to see improvements, and I guess like you see us on stream every day, like some days I will wait hours for that setup. Like we won't just trade anything. So I guess watching Tradeify TV, maybe we've helped a bit.
There you go.
That's good.
There you go. By the way, we crossed 144,000 subs. Welcome, everybody.
Oh, did we?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
144.
That's crazy. It wasn't that long ago. It passed 100k, I remember.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Really fast, yeah.
I think the first time... Do you remember what we were at the first time you came on, Claudia?
It was under 100. It wasn't long after I joined. It was 100k. You hit 100k.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's probably right around like 85, 90-ish.
Yeah. It went up super quick.
The Grand Cup effect.
Yeah, it's a Grand Cup effect. That's true. And we're very close from another giveaway. We said 888 likes. We're sitting at 817, so 71 more. We can do it. We can do it. Aditya is asking, Claudia, have you ever gone skydiving?
Yeah, I just read that. No, I value life.
Thank you.
I'll take risks in my bedroom, but I'll not take risks skydiving. I mean, at my desk, by the way. I mean, at my desk.
Claudia.
I mean, at my desk.
You tapped into the...
Her desk is in her room. Her desk, her office is in the bedroom.
As you can see.
Chat,
trading desk.
Keep it, chat. Don't.
No, this is going to be a thing.
Risk in the office on the charts. She keeps her risk on the charts. That's at the desk.
Someone said it's over for you.
You got into the trap there.
Okay, let's move on. Complete said, Claudia, I saw you max an FTMO. What time frame do you trade CFD? Mostly 5 minute, 15 minute, but using higher time frame for a directional bias.
Good recovery.
Any other questions, anyone? Quick.
We've recovered. Oh, good. Don't worry, Nick and I have fallen many times.
Every single host has fallen. Like,
yeah,
every single one of us has made at least one of these statements.
And the chat is very quick to tell us, like, whoa, like everyone freaks.
Of course. By the way, Roman, let's go back to my screen because I'm still in a trade.
Oh no.
But the skydiving question came up, I know, because Nick and I were talking about it. Because Nick skydives and he's done plenty of...
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
Mm-hmm.
And I was saying how I'd be more scared to skydive than scuba diving. Like, would you do scuba diving? I feel like that would be less...
I think I'm scared of both.
Oh, really? Okay. See, I could argue that...
Sorry, go ahead.
What?
No, you go first. I butt it in.
I was saying, like, I could argue that scuba diving is safer because, like, you're not free falling from a plane for starters. Like, the free fall part is you're not relying on the equipment to fail.
There's no sharks in the sky.
Oh, well,
you can run out of oxygen, Celine.
You can run out of oxygen, but usually, like, you're with a lot of people. Like, you know, skydiving, it's just you and that parachute. Scuba diving, like, someone is just gonna
let's be more specific. It's you and your parachute and your second parachute.
Yeah, if that works.
It is gonna work. Because the second one is a computer activated one. That one has an explosive spring in it. So if you pass out, for example, and you're not gonna pull your parachute, if you are below 1,500 feet at a certain speed, that is automatically going to deploy. So even if you passed out, you're going to be landing somewhat safely.
Also, the landing is terrifying. Not only
Why?
the jump, but the landing. Like
Why?
trying to.
People
You have never done it.
legs.
How do you know that landing is terrifying?
Yes, like Claudia said, I know people have like injured themselves on landing.
Well,
Badly.
people have injured themselves walking on a fucking sidewalk.
True.
Okay, we're not doing this again.
Okay,
I know,
so
he just
see, by the way,
says
I'm
the
just
opposite.
I'm
Oh,
flat
nice.
again. So right now I have locked profits on 5 accounts. 293, 197. Actually, I was lying. I thought it was 4 or 5. It's 4. 293, 197, 102, and 100. There you go.
Nice. Well done.
Nice. Well, I'll quickly share my screen to explain what's happening to me. Is I've now had to cancel this buy limit. I missed this setup. I didn't enter it as quickly as I should have. I did hesitate. Reason being is because just before this inversion happened, we had yet another inversion before it, and then we came all the way down to break that low. And like the way this model works, like you should just, once we get that inversion, the sweep, like it should just start to expand. So to come back all the way down to break that low, it wasn't looking as clean to get back into a long. But in saying that, it should have been like 5 micros was enough to risk on this for it to be valid. Like it wasn't going to be a big loss. So I didn't enter the trade. A bit of hesitation there from me, missed the setup, and now price is running. So that's something I have to definitely reflect on, because that hesitation is why my buy limit never got filled. And I was literally like a few seconds too late trying to put the right sizing in, etc. So not a good trading day so far. 1 loss, 1 small win, and then missed the trade. Right, there you go. That is reality. I'm going to cancel that order.
iTrades asked Nick, have you tried solo skydiving? Yes, I do have a skydiving license. I can skydive anywhere.
Let's go.
And it's super, super fun and challenging, because when I started doing the license, like the first 10 jumps, actually the first 8, I think, after each jump, I was like, should I just stop here and not do it? Because it was so scary. Every single one was like so scary. And I was literally thinking about giving up on it. And you really have to push through. But then after like 12, 15, 20 jumps, you get more comfortable. And then after like 50 jumps, you're really comfortable. And then I don't have a lot of jumps. I have 86. In the skydiving world, that's not a lot. That's considered a super rookie, right? But I have 86 jumps and I feel very comfortable. And I think it's the same with trading. Trading is scary in the beginning. But the more you do it, the more you trust yourself, the easier, or let's say simpler, it's going to get. Have you tried diving without the sky, Mix Lionheart? Well, I don't know what you mean by that. Sure, I guess. In the water. Not scuba diving, though.
I've seen a really good question in the chat from T-Sung Pogun. What age did you guys start trading, and do you think that education qualifications aren't as important if you're fully committed to trading? Aren't as important?
Are you gonna answer that one?
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. I started trading when I was like 22 maybe, is when I found trading. Didn't take it seriously until I was maybe like 24, 25, and I do think I'm personally really glad that I done my degree. However, I found trading after I finished university, so I don't know what I would have thought if I had both at the same time. But I'm really glad I have that just to fall back on in case anything happens. And I also think it's really important to like make sure that you're not coming straight out of school and going into trading, like to get some like work experience in the real life. Because you can definitely tell on social media some traders who haven't ever worked in an office or at a job, you can just tell the way they carry themselves. So I think it's really important that you kind of experience that side of life a little bit at least before fully committing to trading. It'll just, build your character a little better.
Yeah, just to echo that, like, I think that you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. I think that's like, to sum it, like, don't just go all in on one thing. Always have a backup, always have, something to fall back on, because of course nothing is guaranteed, and definitely not in trading. Trading is not like you learn the skill and perfect, like you're guaranteed. Like, it's not like skydiving, you can practice and I don't know, like perfect something. Like, there's, even if you got your strategy down pat, trading just, it doesn't work like that. Dirty Harry asking, Claudia, when's the wedding and will your cousin be there?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I know.
It's too mess. Yeah. Anyway, move on.
Celine, did you already try a C-bob? No. What's a C-bob?
A what?
A C-bob?
Wait, who asked that? What's that, chicken?
No, that was...
Like C-bob as in S-E-A-B-O-B?
Mm-hmm.
Whoever asked that, game. C-bobs are so fucking awesome. One of the best things
C-bob?
ever.
Okay, I gotta look this up.
You basically like
these things. Are those the things?
You hold on to it and you can like go underwater and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I know what they are. Oh, those are sick. No, I never have. I've seen them. I've seen people at the beaches use them. They look so cool. Have we hit the like goal? 888?
Not.
We should.
Well, let me refresh. We're sitting at 883. 5 more is what we need.
Five more likes.
Piptic Dream says, Nick, I just passed my account and now I'm funded. Let's go, man. Congrats.
Nice, well done.
Oh, that's the guy that won the account, I think.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
Anurag is asking how to participate in the giveaway. I'm sorry to inform you, but you're disqualified now.
What if he's new here, Nick?
Well, okay. Let's test that theory. You might be right. He was here yesterday, though.
Oh.
So, and he asked how to participate in the giveaway twice today already. Oh, no, actually, he asked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So, definitely disqualified.
Goodbye. Yes.
Yep. Congo Man, do we have a giveaway? Disqualified.
Oh, yeah. Piptic Dream said it was the one he won yesterday, and he just got it funded. Let's go.
Right.
Nice, good going.
Wait. That doesn't make any sense.
Was it a growth account?
Feed MFTV is asking, Nick, why did you leave MFFU? What?
What?
I was never at MFFU.
Nick, is there something you're not telling us?
That's another Nick you're talking about.
Man, was there a crash in the F1? I didn't know about that.
I don't know. But we got the like target, I think.
Let's do it. Second giveaway.
Let's do it. Oh wait, there's another comment. Cam Jam. I missed that, but I love that comment. Thank you. It says I'm now eligible for my first payout, mostly using Nick's strat. So thank you, Nick. Let's get it. Let's get it, man.
Nice.
W.
3 W's.
I like it. Okay, giveaway time. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once you send Once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out the Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions playing with fire like that, then you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. It's going to be a 30-second giveaway, so you're going to be quick. Here you go. Congo man disqualified already.
Of course.
And chicken, don't even dare to ask.
In 3, 2. Oof Season says, just edged out of my long entry, hit TP without me. Me and you both. My limit order never got filled, and then price ran like 100 points. It is what it is. Lucky that this is only 1 day of trading. 1 day. Only even 1 session. Don't let it get you down.
Juan, no, I don't watch anime. I don't watch anything really.
My sister is like, we're gonna talk about Hannah again, but Hannah is a huge anime fan. So sometimes like she's tried to get me into it. I have watched Naruto, but that's about it. Claudia?
Me? No, I've never seen it. No, I've never watched it. Sorry, guys.
Everyone's disappointed in you.
Oh wait, I missed the giveaway timer.
Foot Aura. I'm banning you because that's just spamming now.
Foot Aura.
Uh-huh.
Some people's names are weird. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's loading. Sending the Google form here. You're disqualified. All right, here we go. Second winner of the day is gonna be the lucky Mr. Faradine. I don't know. But you.
Congrats.
Yeah, congrats.
Type something in the chat. You have 30 seconds.
There it is.
Oh, it says, yay, I'm here. All right. Gonna call you Mr. P. You are gonna get, let's see. Oops. Here we go. Spinning all wheels, you are gonna get a... Ooh.
Another one. Nice.
Another 100k account. 100k select account. 100k select account like the previous person before you as well. Congrats. All you gotta do to claim it is add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and then we're gonna be sending you the account within the next 7 days.
Do you not do the wheels where you like 0, 1, 2, 3 anymore?
Oh, the double or nothing.
They're so exciting. I love them.
Yeah. They're great.
Sometimes we don't.
Yeah.
Are you looking for another trade, Claudia?
No, I'm waiting to see if price comes up and takes out. I'll wait for my screen to switch. I'm waiting to see if price comes up here and triggers my alert. It looks like it's pushed in now. I wouldn't want to get in on another sell until price comes above here. If it shows change of character, wick rejection off this green line, this quarter level, then looking for longer term sales down to here and 4,000 area. But yeah, I think I'm probably just going to wait until the news now. Often before high impact news release, gold just kind of bounces about a bit, builds liquidity on both sides. So I prefer to get in after the news release liquidity sweep. They give some really nice trades.
All right. All right, Celine, you?
No, Nick, I'm watching this one run without me.
Uh-oh.
I was just measuring up from my entry. 125 points if I was in this. That's gonna hurt. Because instead I took a loss and I took a small win. And in that trade that I was in, we hit TP1 and price just came all the way back down for that low. So now it's finally having a consistent move back to the upside. And this is the long I want to be in, but this is the one I'm not in. So I'm just sitting and watching. I can still enter if there is another 15-minute. Like right now, we could be forming a 15-minute gap here, and then have in the next 15-minute, like this will be post stream now, but the next 15-minute candle drops lower to tap into that 15-minute bullish gap. Then I would be longing out of there to still aim for Asia high. Like I said, Asia high probably max targets for the longs, because I am still bearish biased overall higher time frame.
Got it. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. 1 minute.
Okay. Bye. Yes, Balaji says, Brett said something coming in August. It's almost August. Tell us. Balaji, you have not stopped asking. You got to wait. It is almost August, but I mean, we've been dropping some hints. Instagram, if you go there, Tradeify, I think just Tradeify. On our Instagram, you'll be able to see some little teasers there.
It's so funny how Brett's tweets were confusing everyone.
I know. It's so good. We can't see Celine's screen. Yes, creative wall printing. That's because my internet is really laggy where I am in Greece right now. So adding the charts in there is just another complication. I'm not hiding anything. I showed you guys, I live traded like those 2 longs. And I didn't get filled in the 3rd long, so nothing to hide. I'm literally not in any trades.
Celine's lost her life savings today, so she's too ashamed to come on and show her face.
I know, right? No face, no charts. I'm just in shame. Another black guy from the MMA. Oh my gosh. Yes, Alex. Yes.
She fought Conor McGregor, actually.
Yes, that was me.
She would have won, but then Claudia came in and helped Conor.
Did he not lose in like 5 minutes or something?
Yeah, it was.
No, in 1
great.
minute.
1 minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, because all my friends stayed up to watch it and I decided not to. I just came to bed, and the next day they were like, well, that was a waste of time.
Maybe you want to answer Tulian's question, Celine.
No, I don't want to answer Tulian's question,
Oh, okay.
Nick.
Okay.
No. Claudia, you'll see this chat is just
No, I know
The same
that's why I
way-
keep like I'm looking
Yeah.
down just giggling for the past 20 minutes since I opened up the chat.
I know.
Oh, Chicken in the chat says, Claudia, did you tell your fiance about your investment in the paddle match, or let's say your high risk bet on the paddle match?
I told him there's a bet. I didn't tell him how much.
Oops.
Oh wait, you mean the fiance in this chat? No, I don't have a fiance in real life either.
I'm infinite. Next like goal, Nick. Let's see. We're sitting at 998. The next like target is going to be 1,200.
But you got to hit that pretty quick.
Oh yeah, true. You're going to be hitting it super quick. It's 9:42 a.m. UK time already. Damn, where did that time go?
I know, right?
Crazy.
Manton says, "Oh, I thought the stream was only engaged streamers." It's because
Yeah,
Nick and
that's
I.
right. 'Cause you are both engaged, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh, well, maybe that's what's gonna happen. It must be a thing.
I mean, you're now engaged too to that guy in the chat.
I feel really bad for saying yes, even as a joke.
You made his day. He might be super sad once he realizes it's not real, but
No, I don't mean him. I mean my boyfriend. I'm gonna have to tell him that I'm engaged.
Let's see. Silver says, Celine, sit down. You're gonna get tired hitting that aura post.
Thank you. Yeah, I need a break.
Standing there like
The aura is too much.
100 ball. Jamal says, Nick, if you see this, say hello, gang. Hello, gang.
What up, gang?
To the Nick,
prefers
Swiss or Austria better for traveling? Well, anything I do in Switzerland is not traveling because, I mean, I live here. I grew up here. So I would say Austria, I guess.
Austria
Really
is cool.
Depends for what though, because Austria and Switzerland are very similar. Austria has a lot of super nice wellness hotels. That I like.
Wait, is
I only
Vienna?
went to-
Is Vienna in Austria? No.
Yes, that's the
It is.
capital.
Okay, I've been there.
Yes.
That is the capital. Vienna, I think is overrated.
Yeah,
liked it.
I hear negative things about Vienna. I've never been, but
I went for the Christmas markets. We done a Christmas trip last year. It was nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I think it depends if you like an older city or a newer city. If you like an older city, I mean, Vienna is awesome.
Yeah.
Constantine, dude.
What's that?
Chris, do I know Silden? Yes, of course. What's what?
Oh, I was reading constant. Like, I don't get what Solden is. The Chris Stribling.
Oh, I thought you read Constantine's comment.
No, and I thought you read Chris's comment. I don't know. My brain just like.
Silden is a city. It's a place in Austria.
Oh, okay.
Constantine, you know exactly why I didn't read it out. Come on now.
Here's me trying to find what the comment was. Can't
Well.
find it.
About painting.
I mean, it's not
Chilean.
per se, it's not a bad comment. He just said you can go for good painting classes in Austria. Per se, it's not a bad comment.
Mm-hmm.
But if you connect some dots, then suddenly
Yeah. Balaji. No. Julian is saying, and are any of you going on vacation this summer? If so, to where? Are any of you?
I'm
well, Nick,
doing it. Oh yeah, you're going.
just a
You
friends
first.
thing. Friends, and then one weekend I'm gone to somewhere I can't say. I can say it once it happened, but I can't say it now. Because you never know who's watching.
That's true.
Mysterious. I'm doing a 3-week trip to India. So one of my best friends is getting married. So we're gonna go
Oh,
over for
cool.
like 2 weeks before and do a bit of backpacking before the wedding in November.
India.
Yeah.
Have
I've
you
never
been before?
No, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to.
Yeah, I want to know what it's like.
I gotta mute myself real quick.
Why?
What's he doing?
I wonder.
Oh my god. Anyway, India will be.
Protecting my job.
No, that sounds awesome, Claudia. That'll be great.
Yeah, what about you? Are you settled in Greece now for a while?
Yes, but in saying that, I do have a trip out to Malta. I'm going to Malta, and also my fiance's brother is doing the Berlin Marathon, so we're gonna go through we've booked a trip that sort of goes through Prague and where else? Slovakia. I think sort of a few days in each city before getting to Berlin. So I have a trip planned around that.
What's in Berlin?
Berlin's a marathon.
Oh,
What?
I just said oh.
Oh. Yeah, no, the marathon. So I will it'll just be a week, but in that week I will go to a few cities. We're just going to take trains and just go around because it's all very close. Budapest,
That's
Prague.
relative.
Huh?
That's relative. It's all very close. Still far.
Yeah, but And most of the cities, like I fly into Budapest, but then most of the cities after that are like just like a couple hour trains. A couple hours here, a couple out there. It's not bad. Celine, how long did you live in China? Too long.
Yeah, she lived there for the first 23 years of her life.
It was too long.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can you say something in Chinese?
I'm a bit shy.
Shy. That sounds
Nick,
very
don't. Nick, don't.
What does that mean in English?
No, don't. Guys, I'm not Chinese. I've never been in China.
Are you lying?
I love Chinese food. That's true.
Uh-huh. 关系线的 chat says I'm Chinese. 你好.
Ni hao.
Ooh.
Someone said, Claudia, if when you go to India, visit Konark Temple.
I've just screenshotted that. Thank you very much. I'll look into that. Because I done Siem Reap in Cambodia a few months ago, and we went temple hopping, and it was so good. There's like 200 temples there in the space of like an
Oh my
hour.
god.
It was amazing. So good.
200. Did you get to around to all of them?
Not all of them, but we done as many as we could in 3 days. I can't remember how many. Maybe like 20.
Wow.
You know Sri Lanka, sure. Eric, I would have been able to tell by your last name. Der Erik Willimann ist doch von der Schweiz. Natürlich. Doch schön. Wunderbar.
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 Chris asked Angkor Wat. It's a temple in Cambodia. Yeah, I done a sunrise tour there, so we got up like 4 a.m. with a busload of people, and we were there for the sunrise. It was really nice.
Oh, that sounds really nice.
That's the temple that they based the Jungle Book movies on. Do you know?
Oh, where the monkeys.
Yeah, that's the same.
Oh,
I
that
think
is
it's
so
the same one.
cool. That's awesome.
I think I'll have to double check that actually, but it reminded me of it.
Oh no.
So now I'm
That's
just
different.
Yeah.
1,000 people here now, like, gonna go visit it. Mr. Packer says I've got the song in my head now. The Jungle Book song?
Yeah.
Which one? There's so many great songs in that.
Oh, there's another vague question. Rana is asking, which account is worth it?
FX Rana, worth it in terms of what? And prop account or Bank account.
Or I don't know.
Yes, Mr. Patrick. What a song.
Dulit, I think you're mixing some things here.
Cultures?
Yeah. See, I'm not gonna say it. I was about to.
Don't do it.
It's so hard.
You gotta stay strong. Stay strong. You're a live stream host.
Set an example.
Stay strong.
Congo Man, that's my specific question. Nick, you? What? Hold the piss then says, go short. Well, now I'm gonna go long. There you go.
Double
like
up and long.
I just went long because he said that. Can we go through everyone's points they're waiting for to enter? I just entered because the other guy said I should go short.
Right now we are trading inside of the 15-minute bullish gap. So for me, I'm watching this gap to see how price reacts in this will tell me either if it inverts, then I'm not going to even attempt the longs. But if we can hold this gap, the 50% of that, my charts aren't being shared, are they? Yeah. But anyway, just the midpoint of the 15-minute bullish gap right now that we're trading in. I'm waiting for that to be held, and then I would potentially take a long off there, a re-entry.
Robots asking Claudia, what microwave do you have?
I don't know. Samsung, I think.
A Samsung microwave?
I think so. I don't know. It was here whenever we moved in. How do you even think of a question like that?
I
think because Nick and I don't have wait, you don't have a microwave, right, Nick?
No.
Yeah, Nick and I don't have microwaves, so I think that guy he's just interested in what microwave you have because of that.
Good point that nobody has a microwave. Cameron, Nick, what toothpaste brand do you use? It's called Candida. It's good.
Is it fluoride free?
I have no idea. It brushes my teeth. That's what I know. It's good.
These questions are so random today. Gabrielle says, do you guys think someone can be profitable by only swing trading? Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why definitely.
Everyone's freaking out about your toothpaste, Nick.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're freaking out. Congo, I somehow had that thought that somebody is gonna ask exactly that after I said it, because it was kind of dumb the way I said it. My toothpaste doesn't brush my teeth, obviously, but I use it to brush my teeth and it works. So. Damn it.
Oh, that's a good question. Balbus said, before becoming profitable, have you ever thought maybe trading wasn't for you? Yeah, loads.
Yes.
A lot. Yeah.
Oh,
it's
God,
tough.
yes.
It's a tough journey, but that's
because and it's one of those things that you don't get like the gratification, such a slow process to finally feel like, oh, this is actually working. And by slow I mean like years.
Yeah, I think it's really important to journal as well, because if you feel like you're not making any progress, because it's so slow that you don't recognize it. And then on days where I felt like that, I would read through my past journals and realize, actually, I've overcame this problem, I've learned this and this since then. And that gave me confidence that I was moving in the right direction. So I highly recommend documenting your journey in some form, and that's going to keep you going. That's going to allow you to keep going when you're feeling that way.
Yeah, that's the best way to do it. Journaling is very important.
Do you both
journal?
Not every day. Ideally, I would love to. I used to be so good at journaling even my emotions first thing when I wake up in the morning, and reading a book and stuff. But I've fallen out of habit, just with moving apartments and stuff. But I journaled every morning for years, and it was so beneficial. I couldn't recommend it enough.
Congo says, I've never journaled in 13 years. Damn. You swept the hut though. That's the equivalent. Which bad habit did you overcome before getting profitable, says Michael. Day trades. I mean, one very common bad habit in general, I'm going to address everybody in the chat here, or most people, is oversizing. I said it before, but just don't trade. Let's say we're going to take Celine's definition from earlier. Don't trade a fresh prop account, no matter what size of account, with 3 minis. That is what most people do. They trade an account with 1 to 5 minis, and it's just too much. Way too much. And no, Congo, I do not journal. I do not. I did in the past.
Yeah, but you're You're also video documenting your journey in live stream, so you could always go back into the old streams and watch them.
I could, but I don't. I only go back to pull receipts for Celine.
Yeah, he does that a lot. And also, these are 3-hour streams. I do journal after a trading session. I still do that. I have that habit still. So for me, it works because otherwise I'll miss things. And what I used to do was not beneficial, where I'd like take a loss and like it just go over my head. I was like, hold on a minute, like I took the loss, like what was happening there?
Yeah.
So I think I still gain a lot from doing that.
The
Like today.
Is trading the way I trade. Good luck journaling.
I know, right? We're gonna journal.
Fair.
Gonna have a tough time.
You know, I don't know if we got to that giveaway like goal. Did we?
No, we didn't. But you know what, chat? You guys are the best, chat. So we're gonna give you guys another givey. Just a really quick one, you know, really quick one. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. Congo, I'm going to pre-disqualify you. Also, Chicken, you're already disqualified, even if you didn't type anything. And here you go. If you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super disqualified. You're going to have 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds.
That's not enough time.
No, there's heaps of them. It'll fill up.
Watch, it's going to go crazy. And 1, done.
Okay.
Copying everybody over. 76 people made it within 10 seconds. See?
Oh wait, that's nothing, Nick. We should have.
No, we're gonna look. You can even read.
This is This is now the highest chance of winning you'll ever have.
I'm
1 in 76.
I think I meant it too because I'd done it to test if it was enough time.
That is
win.
that is a 1-point-something% chance of winning. It's a 1.3% chance of winning. All right, let's see. Here we go.
Claudia gonna win this. If you win, Claudia, they're gonna say it's rigged.
If Claudia wins, we're gonna give away 2 accounts.
Oh, well, there's a 1 in 76 chance. It is likely.
Not to Claudia though. All right,
I get to pick who it goes to though.
Okay, fair. Here we go, and the winner is what again? Manton again?
What?
Holy moly! This guy just won.
He's quick.
This week, I think. Well done, man. Congrats.
Nice, well done.
Congrats.
Nice.
All right.
He's just quick.
Let's see what you win, though. Here we go. Here we go. It's going to be a growth account. It's going to be a 50K growth account. Congratulations. You know what to do. I'm not going to explain it to you because you already won before. But yeah, that's it for today's stream and giveaways. Chat, with that being said, put a big fat W in the chat if you liked today's stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it, which I hope you didn't. And if you did, that's on you. We're going to be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time with another New York session stream. And then, of course, tomorrow we will be back with the 7 a.m. UK stream.
Yes.
With Celine being back in her actual setup. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Before we leave, though, Celine, any last inspiring motivational words for the chat?
For the chat, well, stay safe in the price action out there. Don't hesitate your setups. Trust your data and your strategy and your model. Don't be hesitating. And the other thing is, we have a special surprise guest on tomorrow's stream, so you don't want to miss that. 7 a.m. UK, but there will be a little guest with me tomorrow.
Damn.
So you'll have to be there. Be there to find out.
There you go. There you go. Now, Claudia, anything you want to say?
Yeah, just to follow on, I think we talked a lot about not over risking. Just carry that with you moving forward. Whatever your daily risk or loss allowance is, my recommendation is divide that by 10. So especially when market conditions are like this, if you feel like you're still getting into trades and you don't quite have the patience yet to wait for those higher quality setups to appear, just reduce your risk. Divide your daily loss allowance by 10. It's going to keep you alive a lot longer.
Yeah.
That's true. All right.
Sure.
Chat. See you all later. Peace out.
Peace.
Bye.